Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to log in into your bank Sohar online banking account in Oman step by step so that you can easily manage your money and access your account anytime, anywhere. First of all, you need to come here on sib.om, which is the official website of Sohar International Bank account. Now, once you are over here, you will see the option of digital banking on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you click on it, you will find a bunch of different options like retail banking, then we have wholesale banking, then we have mobile banking app and corporate mobile banking. So among the given options, you will have to select the one that you want. So here I'm going to be clicking on the mobile banking app, and it is going to show you the QR code in front of you. You can just scan this QR code and you can just sign in here in your mobile account. In addition to it, if you click on the option of sign in on any of the given options over here, it is going to open the login page in front of you just like so. Over here, you need to provide your username and your password carefully. Make sure that there is no typing mistakes or any kind of extra spaces after entering your detail. When you click on the option of login over here, you will have to simply just provide any of the two-factor authentication. If it is enabled, you will get a OTP on your registered mobile number. After adding that, you will be able to basically verify your identity. Once you do that, you will be able to get access to your Bank Sohar online banking dashboard in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.